If you are getting Roku error 5004, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Verify Amazon account details. Error 5004 on Roku devices typically indicates an issue signing into mostly Amazon Prime Video app. Ensure you are entering the correct email address and password for your Amazon account. Also, make sure that your Amazon Prime subscription is active and not expired. Method 2. Disable security software. If you are using VPNs, firewalls, antivirus, or the other security software that may be interfering with the connection, then disable them for the time being. Once you disable VPNs, try to sign into the Amazon Prime Video app or the app you are getting issues with. Method 3. Restart the Roku device and the router. The Roku error code 004 typically indicates an update error that can be caused by a network connectivity issue. When you get such an error, it prevents the device from successfully downloading and installing a software update. The first thing you can do to fix the error is restart your Roku device and the modem or router. Unplug the Roku, your modem, and your router. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then plug them back in and try the update again. If this doesn't work, go to the next method. Method 4. Check network connectivity. Try streaming content from other apps on Roku to ensure the network connection is working properly. If possible, connect the Roku to an alternate network like a mobile hotspot to isolate if the issue is with your home network. Method 5. Reconnect the network. Select System, then go to Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Select your network and enter the password correctly when prompted. Once done, select Connect to proceed. Method 6. Reset connection. Go to Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete. Method 7. Check your Roku's operating system. Ensure your Roku's operating system is up to date. To update the Roku system, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 8. Clear your cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV. And by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 9. Update the channel. To update the channel you are getting issue with on your Roku device, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Then press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 10. Delete and reinstall the channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the channel you are getting issue with. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Removal Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. Method 11. Contact Amazon Support. If the error 5004 persists after trying the above steps, contact Amazon Customer Support or the specific channel support, as there may be an issue with their servers or services. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 5004. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.